How to cancel Amazon order. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can cancel Amazon order. For this, you want to open the Amazon shopping app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store and download and install this app. Now open it and sign into your account. After this, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, you have the option of orders. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, a list of all of your orders will be displayed over here. Find the order that you want to cancel. Now select View or Edit Order option. Then you want to select Cancel Items. Now check the box of the item that you want to cancel from the order. To cancel the entire order, select all the items. Now you will have to choose a reason for cancellation and select Request Cancellation option. After submitting the cancellation, Amazon will send a confirmation message to the email address on your account for a history of your cancelled orders. You want to again go on the Your Orders section and get to the Cancelled Orders section. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.